I try. Here and today, we're gonna play more Little Alchemy. So, let's start playing. Oh,
hey guys, Foxy.
Old video. So, just an advertisement that I want to tell you that this is part 2 of Foxy Kid 820 plays Little Alchemy. The first one, if you haven't seen the previous videos, see part 1. It's in the link in the description down below. So, let's start playing. So, the last time we got 25 elements. So, that's good. Also, if you know, my camera's now in the left side corner, so you can see my total now. So, let's start playing. So, I could use a hint this time. I don't know, but I'm gonna just play. So we got granite. I remember using that. This is actually like a couple minutes after I've been filming, like 20, I guess, like minutes. I've been filming this, so it's crazy. I know. I might do episode 2. I meant part 3 sometime. So let's continue making stuff. Guys, I'll be right back for 1 second. Never mind. We're gonna use a hint today. I just need to because last time we kind of stuck, so we thought we can get stuff. And we can't make anything like that. We need something like simple. If there's not any good hints, I had to think something like that or you know what I mean. Oh, that's cute. Okay, there's not any good hints here. Okay, there's not good any hints, so we can do earth and water. No, that'll make mud again, right? Mud and earth? Dang it, I need to find something to make. How about mud? Mud and mud. Nothing. Can we do air? Ooh, air and water can be good. Air and water. We can make something, right? It makes rain. That's nice. We can do earth and rain. That could make like a plant. Right? Yeah, it does. Can we do plant and plant? It makes a garden. How about garden and garden? Garden and garden. I can make something. It makes nothing. Wow. How about rain? That can make something, right? Oh, well, we got garden anyways. Garden and plant? Flower! Yay! We made a flower! Nice! We made a flower. What else could we make? We could make... What will we make? About energy, about plant and earth plus energy. Wait, I'll make earthquake. Yeah, wait, I got an idea. Got energy, then get plant. Cause we could make something. Wait, with plant and Fire. Tobacco! We made tobacco! We're getting like some nature up in here. So, something like that. That's crazy. We made tobacco. What else can we make? Poop. No, we're not gonna make some. What about plant and pressure? Because we can't find. We made plant and pressure makes coal. Coal and coal can make something, I guess. No, cannot. Can we do coal and pressure? Diamond! Woo! Woo! Diamond! Diamond and pressure? No. But we made a diamond. That's good. Can we make... Ooh, I got a good one. Earth. And... coal. Nothing. Okay, how about... Wow. How about earth and mountain? Mountain. Range? Nope. Let's do earth and everything. So, earth and air. Dust made. Earth and ash will make nothing. No, oh no. No, this won't make anything with it. Roll down. Earth and garden? How about earth and flower? Oh, come on. We need to find something. Earth and mud. There won't be anything, huh? I knew it. About earth and... there's nothing else. That's good. How about earth and... Let's just do earth and tobacco. That should be something good. No. Because we need hints. And there is no hints. For some reason. That's sad. There's nothing we can make today. That's awkward. We only made plant, garden, and flower today. And also coal and diamond too. I don't think that's not that much. Like, there's nothing else we can make. We can make... I need to see. I really want to make human or something. Tree? We couldn't have been using hands so badly, but I heard you can make life, and life will be a next step. So in episode 3, our part 3, we're adding life. Okay? Just normal, simple life. L-I-F-E. Okay? Life. So that will be, should I end this video? Yeah. I'm going to end this video here, so hope you enjoy it, and see you guys next time. Bye!